Why does your scanner show the P0533 engine code? What does it mean? P0533 is a diagnostic trouble code for A or C refrigerant pressure sensor circuit high input. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer, PCM, detected a voltage signal from the AC pressure sensor that is too high. This indicates a problem with the air conditioning system, possibly due to a malfunctioning. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty A or C pressure sensor. Wiring and connection issues. Incorrect refrigerant levels. Malfunctioning PCM or ECM. Inoperative A or C cooling fans. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Dodge, Opel, Renault, Peugeot, Skoda, and other models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.